हेलो दोस्तों, रामसर्च एकेडमी ऑफ मैथ्स में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दोज क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हुज रूट्स आर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हम लोग ने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन जो सॉल्व किया था, देयर वी आर गेटिंग ऑलवेज आंसर्स आर रियल नंबर। एंड इन 11th स्टैंडर्ड in the chapter complex number we'll discuss this topic, solution of quadratic equation, those having complex root. So let's start with the question we are selecting from 11th standard textbook, exercise 1.2, main question number 3, solve the quadratic equation. So let's start with the first one, that is x square plus 3xi plus 10 is equal to 0. So we'll compare this quadratic equation with the standard form of any quadratic equation. So we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3i, and c is equal to, we are getting answer as 10. Because these are the quadratic equation which we cannot solve by factorization, by using splitting the middle term. इसलिए by default हम formula method के साथ जाएंगे. So by comparing with standard form we get A, B and C. Now what we do, we find out answer of discriminant, which is called as b square minus 4ac. So instead of b we have 3i the whole square minus 4 into a into c, which is 10. So in next step 3 ka square is 9 with I square minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 tens are 40. So in next step we have I square, and we all know very well I square का value होता है -1. Therefore we are getting -9 minus 40, which is nothing but equal to -49. Now we done with the answer of b square minus 4ac. Answer we obtained as -49. Now we apply formula method. So we will write on by formula method of solving quadratic equation. Formula remains same. Alphabet used is x. So x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So let's simply substitute all the answers. B ka value we have 3i, so we are getting minus 3i, plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac we obtained as minus 49 whole divided by 2a, and a ka value we have as 1. So let's continue further part. We get here x is equal to minus 3i plus minus under root of 49 is 7, but since we have under root of minus 49, so we all know by the basics of complex number, under root of minus 49 होता है 7i whole divided by 2 ones are 2. So now we are getting two answers. One is x is equal to minus 3i plus 7i whole divided by 2, or the second answer we get x is equal to minus 3i minus 7i whole divided by 2. So from the first one, from this one, if we simplify, we get x is equal to 4i whole divided by 2 is nothing but equal to 2i. And from the second which we obtained from this one, if we write down, we get x is equal to minus 10i whole divided by 2. So the next answer which we obtained is minus 5i. So our solution set for the value of x is 2i and next value is minus 5i. So these are the two complex root we are getting for our quadratic equation. Because यहाँ पे आप चेक करेंगे तो b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का जो वैल्यू आया है वो नेगेटिव आया है. तो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में हम हमारे क्वेश्चन को यहाँ पे स्टॉप कर देते थे. We are writing roots are not real, therefore we are not solving further. Now this is the continue part of that topic, how to solve those quadratic equation whose b square minus 4ac is negative, or the quadratic equation whose roots are complex root. Let's understand one more question with the same topic. The second question is again from main question number 3, and that we have ix square minus 4x minus 4i is equal to 0. So again our aim is to find out value of a, which is I, value of b, which is minus 4, and value of c is nothing but equal to minus 4i. Now after finding this value, we will find our answer of b square minus 4ac. That gives you minus 4 ka square minus 4 into a, which is I, into c, which is minus 4i. So in next step, minus 4 ka square, we will get answer as 16. This minus 4 multiply with minus 4 gives you plus 16, and I into I gives you I square. So in next step, we get 16 minus 16 because value of I square is minus 1. So overall answer we obtained for b square minus 4ac is 0. And by the 10th standard concept, we can write on both the answers should be same. But here we are not getting real and equal. We are getting complex and equal. Let's understand further. So by formula method, we will write down x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a, and we update all the answers. So we are getting minus of minus 4 plus minus under root of 0 whole divided by 2a, and a का value we have as a का value हमारे पास है I, sorry, so instead of a we are writing I. So in next step we can continue as x is equal to, we are getting answer as minus into minus plus 4 minus plus of 0 whole divided by 2i. तो एक बार हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे x is equal to 4 plus 0 whole divided by 2i, and on second time we'll continue x is equal to 4 minus 0 whole divided by 2i. तो आप सबको मालूम है 4 plus 0 is remain same, 4 minus 0 also remains same, इसलिए मैंने दो बार लिखा so that आपको क्लियर हो जाए, बट आपका आंसर एक ही आने वाला है. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर. सो x इज इक्वल टू 4 डिवाइड बाई 2i. 2 और 4 कैंसिल होगा, सो ओवरऑल आंसर वी ऑब्टेन एज 2 डिवाइड बाय i. नाउ वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस i फ्रॉम डिनोमिनेटर. सो इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट वी डू, वी राइट डाउन 2 डिवाइड बाय i को हम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय i, लाइक वी आर डूइंग इन 10th स्टैंडर्ड एंड 9th स्टैंडर्ड. रैशनलाइजेशन सेम कॉन्सेप्ट. तो अपॉन में आ जाएगा आई स्क्वायर, एंड वैल्यू ऑफ आई स्क्वायर वी ऑल नो इज minus 1. So overall answer is 2i whole divided by minus 1, which gives you minus 2i. And here both the answers are same. So final answer we will write on minus 2i comma minus 2i, because quadratic equation always have two answers. So the answer which we are getting in this type of quadratic equation, they are complex. They are not real. This is what the difference of this question and the question which you done in 10th standard. Let's continue the more difficult question of this type. वीडियो के साथ बने रहें, आगे के क्वेश्चंस और भी important हैं. This is what the next question from main question number 4, and the questions are, question is x square minus of 2 plus I into x minus of 1 minus 7i is equal to 0. Our steps remain same. Let's start with finding value of a. Value of a is 1, value of b is minus of 2 plus I. We are finding this value of ABC by comparing with standard form जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है. Next value of C is minus of 1 minus 7i. So now we have to find out answer of b square minus 4ac. So let's continue. b का value we have minus of, we have answer of b is minus of 2 plus I the whole square minus 4a का value we have as 1, and c का value we have again minus of 1 minus 7i. So it's very important to use bracket properly. In next step, negative number का square is positive, so बाहर जो minus sign है वो हट जाएगा, and we will get 2 plus I the whole square. Next one, we multiply this minus 4 ones which is minus 4. This we multiply inside the bracket. So we are getting minus into minus plus 4 multiplied by 1 minus 7i. Now to simplify this bracket, 2 plus I the whole square, we apply a plus b the whole square. That gives you 2 ka square 4 plus 2 2s are 4i plus I square, which is a plus b the whole square we applied. 4 ones are 4, multiplying 4 inside bracket, minus 28i. Now in next step we'll simplify. So this 4 and this plus 4 gives you 8. This 4i minus 28i gives you minus 24i. अब अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो we have I square, उसका वैल्यू होता है -1. So now next step simplified one is 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 का वैल्यू मिलेगा 7 minus 24i. This is answer of b square minus 4ac. But problem is the answer which we are getting is again a complex number, and when we are finding answer by formula method, ये b square minus 4ac को हमें स्क्वायर रूट में रखना पड़ेगा. तो वहां पे टर्म्स को लेंदी बनाने से अच्छा है कि हम यहीं पे उसका स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड कर लेते हैं. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ b square minus 4ac is nothing but equal to square root of 7 minus 24i. So we have to find out square root of 7 minus 24i. So this is what our equation number 1, जहाँ पे हम under root of 7 minus 24i रखेंगे. So this we done already in a previous lecture, how to find out square root of a complex number. So let assume the square root of this complex number, which is under root of 7 minus 24i, will be another complex number, and let that complex number is a plus ib. Now we do squaring on both sides. That gives you 7 minus 24i is equal to a plus ib the whole square. Now next one we'll do on left hand side, a plus b the whole square का formula, that gives you a square plus 2ab साथ में I, and next one is minus b square. Be careful, why minus? Because b के साथ I भी है, तो b का स्क्वायर होगा तो I का भी स्क्वायर होगा, और I स्क्वायर का वैल्यू माइनस होता है. सो अब ये टर्म्स को आपने बार बार यूज किया है, नंबर ऑफ टाइम यू यूज्ड इट, तो आप उसको डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टर्म राइटिंग रियल टर्म टुगेदर, सो a square minus b square plus 2abi separately, which is a imaginary. So now we are finding by equality of two complex number, a square minus b square is equal to 7, which we mark as equation number 2, and by comparing imaginary part with imaginary part, 2abi is equal to minus 24. So in next step we get ab is equal to minus 12 by dividing both side by 2. So instead of b we can write down answer as minus 12 divided by a, which you can consider from equation, which you can consider as equation number 3. Now substitute the value of 3 in equation number 2. So when we substitute, our equation become a square minus of minus 12 divided by a the whole square is equal to 7. Now in next step when we simplify, we are getting a square minus, ब्रैकेट में ध्यान देना, ब्रैकेट का माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस नहीं करें क्योंकि होल स्क्वायर है. सो माइनस 12 का स्क्वायर इज माइनस, बाहर जो साइन था, और माइनस 12 का स्क्वायर इज प्लस 144. सो ओवरऑल आंसर वी गेट negative 144 whole divided by a square is equal to 7. Now further we have to continue. So we multiply throughout by a square. So when we multiply throughout by a square gives you a raised to 4 minus 144 is equal to 7a square. Now in next step we shift 7a square on left hand side. That gives you a raised to 4 minus 7a square minus 144, which is equal to 0. Now we will factorize it and find out value of a square. So find out answer from 144, two number whose subtraction is 7 and multiplication is 144. So that two answers are a raised to 4 minus, if you know इट्स वेरी सिंपल, 10th में आपने बहुत बार फैक्टराइज किया है. वी आर गेटिंग आंसर एज -16a² plus 9a² minus 144 is equal to -144, which is equal to 0. Now if we take common from first two, we are getting a raised to 2 common. We are getting answer a² minus 16 in first bracket. And now common from third and fourth term, which is 144 and minus sign. So be careful. What we are getting, 9 we can take common. So we can take 9 common. So plus 9 if we take common, again in bracket we have a² minus 16, which is equal to 0. Now take 2 bracket common. Factorization, simple factorization we are doing. A² minus 16 multiply by a² plus 9 is equal to 0. So in next step we get a² minus 16 is equal to 0 और a² plus 9 is equal to 0. So a² का वैल्यू आपको मिला 16 और a² का वैल्यू आपको मिल रहा है -9. But as we know, a belongs to a real number, therefore a² cannot be equal to -9. So in next step what we do, we will continue with a² is equal to 16. So square root on both sides gives you a is equal to plus minus 4. So now we are getting two value of a. So when we write down a is equal to 4 in equation number 3, where we obtained relation between a and b, we get b is equal to minus 12 divided by 4, which is nothing but equal to -3. So answer of a plus ib for this condition is a plus ib का आंसर मिला हमें 4 minus 3i. And when we substitute a is equal to -4 in equation number 3, we get b is equal to -12 upon -4. So overall answer obtained is 3. So answer of a plus ib is equal to -4 plus 3i, which we can write down by taking minus out, minus of 4 minus 3i. So the two answers of a plus ib, we get plus minus under root of, plus minus in bracket, not in under root, 4 minus 3i. This is what the answer of a plus ib we obtained. But a plus ib is the answer of square root of 7 minus 24i. So actually we obtained answer for square root of 7 minus 24i, which is plus minus 4 minus 3i. मतलब अब जहां पे भी आपको square root of 7 minus 24i दिखेगा, we will replace this value. Now we apply formula method. So we'll write down by formula method, writing the formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So let update all the answers. Minus of b का value which we have is minus of 2 plus I plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. अंडर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का आंसर हमें मिला था अंडर रूट ऑफ 7 माइनस 24i whole divided by 2a. A का value which we have is 1. So 2 ones are 2. So in next step, now we update answer. Again minus into minus become plus, gives you 2 plus I. And plus minus और अंडर रूट ऑफ 7 minus 24i का आंसर हमें जो मिला, that answer again is in plus minus. If we check properly, so उसका आंसर हमें मिला था plus minus in bracket 4 minus 3i whole divided by 2. So from this we'll proceed to get our final answer. So x is equal to, we will write down 2 plus I, and here we have plus minus और अंदर भी plus minus है. So when they multiply with each other, again we are getting two answer which is plus minus only. Multiply by करने के बाद we will get plus minus 4 minus 3i whole divided by 2. Now one time we'll solve by plus, so we get x is equal to 2 plus I plus 4 minus 3I whole divided by 2. So when we simplify this term, we get x is equal to 2 plus 4, which is 6, minus 2I whole divided by 2. By taking 2 common, we get answer as 3 minus I whole divided by 2. So the first answer we obtained is 3 minus I. Now similarly, from this step we continue for minus. So writing or, x is equal to 2 plus I minus, so bracket use करें, 4 minus 3I whole divided by 2. So continue, open bracket, we get 2 plus I minus 4 plus 3I whole divided by 2. So we get answer as x is equal to 2 minus 4 gives you minus 2 plus 4I whole divided by 2. Again we can take 2 common from here. So after taking 2 common, we get minus 1 plus 2I whole divided by 2. So numerator denominator to cancel, we obtain answer x is equal to minus 1 plus 2I. So we are getting two answers. One answer is 3 minus I and second answer is minus 1 plus 2I. So we'll write on our solution set is 3 minus I, which is first answer, and second answer is minus 1 plus 2I. So these are the answer of quadratic equation, and these answer are complex, very important, lengthy sum hai, but आप practice करें तो definitely you can solve this type of questions. So there are number of questions of similar type in exercise. Do practice of this, and in next lecture we'll continue with our further topic. Subscribe our